Hey everyone, welcome to this new PDF Maker tutorial. Let's take a quick tour to help you get started. To start with, you can click onto the create button over here and start creating your template. You can just type the template name and select the required data source and click next, and then you'll be redirected to a blank template, and then you can add all the necessary content that you want, add placeholders and finish your template. And you can also create your template by clicking onto the blue button over here. This will also help you to create template. Next is the template section, and here you'll find all the templates that I have created organized neatly for quick access and easy management. And next, the actions button. In each template, you will have this action button where you will find several options like edit template, configure template, run history, duplicate and delete template. Edit template helps you to edit that particular existing template, and configure template helps you to update the template, mainly like changing the data source of that particular template. And when you click onto the run history, you will be able to see all the responses that were recorded in that particular template so far. And duplicate template helps you to duplicate that particular template. It mainly helps in editing processes easier. And finally, the delete template helps you to delete that particular template entirely from your dashboard. And just below the template section, you will be able to find the teammate section. Want to collaborate? Head over to the team member section where you can easily add colleagues to your workspace and collaborate seamlessly. And after that, you will be able to find the integration section. Make and Zapier helps you to automate your workflow and streamline your productivity. And then under the settings section, you will be able to find three different parts: connected accounts, API key and security. Under connected accounts, you will be able to connect your Google Workspace, Airtable and Notion. These three connections will help you to fetch the data when you are creating a template. It is mainly like connecting your PDF Maker with the data source. And then under the API key, you will be able to fetch the API key, which will be helpful while API integration and Make and Zapier automation. And under the security, you will be able to set up the multi-factor authentication, which will prevent your account from unauthorized access. So this is the quick walkthrough of the PDF Maker app. So I hope this video would have been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.